Alright folks, so next I'm gonna do a step-by-step on how to change the engine air filter on a 2015 Honda Pilot Touring Edition. Alright, let me turn the camera around. Okay. So the whole engine compartment, so it's on the driver's side of the engine compartment. Okay, so this right here is the engine air filter. Okay, so in order to replace the air filter, you have to, there's the four screws here. Okay, so you can see there's one here. You can see that right there. There's one there. Of course, there's one here. Okay, and then there's one. I'm gonna go this way. This one back here. All right, down there. And of course, there's one here, back here. You can see that. This one back there. Let's see here. Okay, so yeah, it's right there. All right, right there. You can see it right there. Okay, so then all I have to do is just lift the cover up, which I'm going to show to you guys here. Okay. All right. All right. So, you can see me here. All right. So I got the ratchet wrench here with the extension because it's easier to go down on the back screw. And the socket is number 8. All right. So folks usually ask, or wondering, I should say, how often do you change the engine filter? All right. So all I have to do, I'm not sure you guys can see that here. Let me show you. All right. Oh. Okay. So let me show you. So after you unscrew, unbolt this 4-bolt here, like I show you all, and there's one back there. There's one back there. All you have to do is lift it up just like that. All right, and it gives you enough access to lift up your engine filter. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so let's take that out just like that. Ooh, if you look at this here, oh my gosh, yeah, it's been a while. It's about, I'm thinking maybe 4 oil change ago that I changed the engine cabin filters. It looks pretty bad. All right. Okay, let's go get put this down here, and then let's go get this brand new one. So this is this new one here. All right, so you'll see the difference. Put it side by side for y'all. Just look at this here. Look at that. Okay, on the right side, it's the one I just took out, which you all have seen that. And the left side is brand new. Okay. So, and if you look at this, oh, let me switch my hand to the other side. So you looked at it, you see the deep portion here, that goes down, okay? So, all right, I'm gonna do this here with one hand. Okay. So you lift this up, okay? Lift the cover up and slide. Usually I like to check, but it's there's no debris and all stuff in there, so. And slide that in there, just like that. Should seated in pretty good, I should say. And then slide the cover back in. All right. Let me check the cover back here. It's actually back in. And you can probably test that with the, bring this here. Oh. Try to see if you can screw that on. Okay. I can see that. Maybe I should get the, let me get the light so you can see that back screw. Alright, hold on, be right back. So hopefully, let me bring the camera back. Alright, so hopefully you can see this one screw back there. Okay, this one right there. Looks like it's all lined up. Pretty good. Probably gonna vacuum some of these out. Sleeves here, so that way the drain doesn't clog the drain. Somewhere there usually. All right. Well, folks, but that's it on how to change the engine air filter on a 2015 Honda Pilot Touring Edition. And if that helps you out, I would appreciate it if you could hit that like button and subscribe. It'll help us immensely. All right. Until next time, as always, I appreciate you all. God bless.
分手会不会被挽留？心碎的声音谁来收？曾经的誓言随风飘走，留下我。